All right, normally I do this on my GoPro, but let's give the iPhone a shot. See if some stability is here. I haven't given an update in a while, but we just got the new wheels on. So same tires, 35, 15.5, 16.5 TSL SX. I actually just had to replace the front two because when I was pulling them off the other ones, the sidewalls here had two huge cracks, only in the front. So the back two are still the old ones, but really I barely wore these down. They're still brand new. But I have got these Scorpios widened to basically 16.5 by 15. I went with 15 for these specific tires. I didn't specifically care for the look of 16s and 14. I mean, if I'm going to get them custom made, I might as well just go 15. And there she sits. You can see some fresh primer. I actually had found a rust spot in here. You can actually see a spot here I didn't hit with primer quite too good. I need to sand that back down and go through it. I still need to do some more body work there, but I cut out a big section here. It was rusted down in here, so I just re-welded in a new section of metal, and that's all fixed. And what else? Just fixed the window. We'll just take a look. Let you get an idea of the stance. And then I put a new, I like the wider look for sure. Got the custom plates. And then I just put a cover on the front. I still need to touch up these spots where I didn't have paint, but just a polished aluminum cover. That was on Amazon. It's pretty cheap actually. And there you go. So that's how she sits. This is what I've been after. 8 inches, 35s, 15 wides. I'll give you the full run around. It's dirty. Someday I'll tint the windows. Just get the full effect. There you go. That's it. Just wanted to give an update. That's the look I was after. Now we just got to do a motor and paint. And then I have all the new interior pieces. I mean, this thing is just, I've been driving like this forever, you know, no dash. I don't have the new dash panels. I just have these on here for something. The seat I did redo. So this is nice. It's decent. And then I have new panels for everywhere, literally all, and it's all black. So I'm aiming for all black in here, regardless of whatever I paint this. I figure this is the easiest. And that's the update. Leave your thoughts, comments below. Hope you enjoyed. See you again soon.